Hey, it's Steve from Adventure Moto, and we're here with the new Krios Pro. We did manage to get some in from KLIM. We understand that America's having trouble shipping products, also having trouble with production lines, and so they've dropped some of the colorways. But we've got three great new colors that have come in. We've got the Mekka Kinetik Blue over here. We've got the Loko Striking Grey and the Mekka Vivid Sage. It looks a bit like the June, but it's a gloss finish. Now you can see that they come without the peak attached because they still have the transition lenses on the face, so they come in the box as a road helmet. When you choose to fit your visor, obviously when you flip the lid up and the sun's shining down, you get a bit of mottling, but it only takes a few, 30 seconds, 60 seconds for it to clear up, and it'll adjust to the light that's in front of your helmet. So I've had no problem riding with the transition lens on my Krios for a while now. Now guys, look, there's a lot of talk about our size and fit guarantee. If we send you a helmet and it isn't quite the right size, we will still replace it for you. What we're doing at Adventure Moto, if any stock comes back, normal conditions apply. You have to have all the stickers on, everything in the box comes back so we can sell it as new. But what we then do is take it out of the box, we steam clean every helmet and we disinfect it. We wipe it down with disinfectant wipes, make sure all the hard surfaces are clean. The steam clean does the rest of the job, goes back into stock, it goes into quarantine for 3 to 4 days before we'll even send it back out again. So be rest assured that even with this crazy times of the COVID-19 going on, that the helmets that you get in a box will be fresh and clean, and you're able to try them on and send them back if they don't fit. I know it's hard. We want you to stay fit, stay healthy, ride when you can, while you can, where you can, and if things get too tough, well, got the magnetic clip here. My view is I'm getting out of here.